The 2026 Thor Vegas is here to redefine what compact luxury motorhomes can be, blending style, technology, and functionality into a coach that feels far beyond its size. Designed for those who want the comfort of a Class A RV but with easier handling and more versatility, the Vegas proves that big adventures don't always require a massive footprint. At first glance, the exterior styling is sharper and more modern than ever. A bold front cap design, integrated LED lighting, and a sleeker aerodynamic profile make the coach look just as impressive on the road as it does parked at a campsite. New color schemes and graphics add a contemporary touch, ensuring that the Vegas stands out wherever it goes. Built on a dependable Ford chassis with a powerful engine, it delivers smooth highway cruising while maintaining the agility to navigate urban areas, winding roads, and tighter campgrounds that larger RVs often struggle with. Step inside and you'll immediately notice that the Vegas doesn't compromise on luxury despite its more compact Class A design. The interior feels open and inviting, thanks to clever layout options and high ceilings. Premium finishes, modern cabinetry, and LED lighting bring a residential feel to the living space. The furniture is designed for both comfort and practicality, with recliners, convertible sofas, and dinettes that easily transform to maximize usability. The cockpit features advanced driver assist technology, digital displays, and ergonomic seating, making long drives both safer and more enjoyable. One of the highlights of the 2026 Vegas is its smart use of space. Every inch is engineered for efficiency, from hidden storage compartments to multi-purpose furniture. The kitchen is outfitted with stainless steel appliances, solid surface countertops, a high-capacity refrigerator, and even space for small luxury additions like a convection microwave. It's the kind of setup that allows you to cook real meals on the go without ever feeling restricted. Sleeping arrangements are flexible and surprisingly generous. Depending on the floor plan, you'll find options like drop-down overhead bunks, Murphy beds, or queen beds, all paired with thoughtful storage solutions. The bathrooms are compact but highly functional, featuring modern fixtures, skylights, and efficient layouts that make them feel far from cramped. Technology integration in the 2026 Thor Vegas sets it apart from earlier models. A centralized smart control system allows you to manage lighting, climate, and entertainment with ease, often from your smartphone or a touch panel inside the coach. Multiple TVs, premium audio, and seamless Wi-Fi connectivity mean you can stay entertained and connected whether you're camping off-grid or parked at a luxury resort. Speaking of off-grid capability, the new Vegas incorporates upgrades for those who love boondocking. Solar prep and larger battery options are available, along with upgraded inverter systems to power more appliances without needing a generator constantly running. Paired with improved insulation and climate control systems, this motorhome is designed to keep you comfortable in a wider range of environments. On the safety front, Thor has equipped the Vegas with advanced features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and enhanced braking systems. Large side mirrors with integrated cameras and a 360-degree view system help with maneuvering in tight spots. These driver-focused technologies mean that even those new to RVing can feel confident behind the wheel. Storage has also been enhanced in the 2026 edition. Exterior compartments are deeper and weather-sealed, making them perfect for outdoor gear, camping essentials, and personal items. Inside, thoughtful cabinetry design ensures that every trip feels organized, with space for extended journeys without the clutter. The lifestyle experience is further elevated by exterior entertainment setups and powered awnings with integrated LED lighting. Imagine relaxing outside in the evening, watching a movie or game on the exterior TV while enjoying the open air. These features create an atmosphere that feels like a true extension of your home. What really sets the Thor